our channel. Today we are going to see the code implementation of a random forest algorithm. We are using the iris dataset to classify the species of this plant, flower. So we are using random forest. So random forest is just like if there's a regression task averaging the trees outputs, and if there is a classification task, the algorithm will do majority of voting. Like if there is three trees, one said that it is virginica, and other said no, it's not virginica, and another said that it is virginica. So it is majority voting, so it will do virginica. That means this will generate results according to majority of voting. So let's see the code implementation for random forest. So let's create our data set. We have imported our Seaborn. Let's create data frame. We are using iris, so we will put his name. Let's see the df. Yeah, so now you can see the different species. There are three species. We are only seeing two of them, and there is a sepal length and sepal width, and petal length and petal width. So that simple features like this is sepal, and this is petal, and this is petal width, and this is petal length, and this is petal width, and this is petal length. So I hope you understand really quick. So now one thing we have to do is to convert those species into numerical format. For this task we are using sklearn's label encoder. So Colab does it for me. So let's visualize the species. Yeah, you can see they are in numerical format. Now let's import our trend test split so that we can evaluate our model. So we have successfully managed our dataset to split into two categories, one for testing and other for training. So now let's train our model. So random forest is ensemble model. That means it combines models output and then gives us the result. That means it is present in ensemble class. Now our predictions are ready. Now let's evaluate those predictions using the accuracy score. Oh, we got 1. That means there is absolutely no error. Let's evaluate it. Let's say we have to use classification report. So we have to convert CLF report into data frame. Actually, there is no need to convert this thing into data frame, and just use print for simplification. Sorry, my English is very bad. I'm actually bad in English due to my regional restrictions. You can see the classification report. So I hope you subscribe our channel. Bye.